The information I'll be dropping here has the potential to make you not just $10,000 but up to $50,000 from Airdrop. It sounds too good to be true, right? Look at Darren Lau at Darren Lau TF on Twitter. He tweeted this: "Test everything. I deposited $100 to DYDX protocol and aped around but got an airdrop which I sold for around $54,000. So yeah, it may sound too good, but there are evidences to show that it happens. The same DYDX airdrop got up to $100,000 in value. These type of airdrops are called retroactive airdrop. Here, the protocol that do not have a token but generates good income airdrops their native token to its users once they create one. It started with Uniswap. They airdropped 400 unit tokens to their users. It was worth around $2,000 at the time of the airdrop and rose up to $17,000 at its peak. 1inch followed and airdropped $4,000 worth of airdrop. Axie Infinity $3,500 worth of airdrop. Others include Optimism, Osmosis, Juno, and so on, all worth over $2,000 from the day of the airdrop, and even worth more now. So what I will do in this video is to show you 5 highly reputable protocols that might be launching an airdrop soon and what you can do to qualify for this airdrop. If these airdrops are worth at least $2,000 at the time of the airdrop, that will be $10,000. My name is Jude Umeano and I make crypto related videos that will educate you, make you money, and protect your crypto assets. Make sure you click on the sub button, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my amazing content. Let's look at the 5 protocols. One is Metamask. Metamask is the leading DeFi wallet that was launched in 2016. It has over 30 million users and supports over 45,000 crypto tokens across Ethereum network, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and others. Metamask can be used to interact with DeFi apps through its mobile app or Chrome extension. It recently launched its swap feature that allows users to swap one token for another directly on Metamask. When you swap a token on Metamask scans through decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, Paraswap, Curve, and so on, and routes your swap through the one offering the best rates. With this feature, it is speculated that Metamask will be dropping a token soon. To position yourself for the airdrop, use the swap feature, that is the Metamask swap feature. Number 2 is Across protocol. Across is an optimistic cross-chain bridge protocol that allows users to execute transactions between chains almost instantly. With Across, you can move your crypto asset from one chain to another easily. Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, and Boba are among the supported chains, and more are coming soon. There have been hints of an airdrop once its token is launched. To position yourself to qualify for this airdrop, you can do any of the following: bridge assets using the Across protocol, provide liquidity, contribute to the design and development of Across DAO. You can start by joining its Discord channel. And number 3 that I'll be talking here is Opyn, spelled O-P-Y-N. And Opyn is a DeFi derivative platform. It allows you to trade perpetual contract on chain on Ethereum using the power of squeeze, that is squared Ethereum. You can take a long position or a short position. When you take a long position on this protocol, you will earn more when the market is going up and lose less when the market is going down. But you will not get liquidated unless maybe Ethereum goes to 0 and stays there, which we know that can't really happen. Opyn tokens and airdrop has long been anticipated, and there are 3 things you can do now to get yourself positioned for the airdrop. 1 is take a long position or a short position, and 2 is to provide liquidity, And 3 is to deposit into any of the trading strategy. We have the crab strategy currently on Opyn, and 2 more are coming really soon. Number 4 is Francium. Francium is on the Solana network. It is the 3rd largest lending protocol on Solana by total value locked, the largest leverage lending platform, and the largest one without a token. Francium is also a yield farming aggregator on Solana. They have hinted that they will launch a token when the time comes, and with it might come a retroactive airdrop to its users. To position yourself for this, you can do the following. 1 is to lend a token on Francium, and the 2nd is to yield farm on Francium. But to interact with the Solana network, you will need a Phantom wallet, which is also an airdrop opportunity if you use the exchange like the Metamask we mentioned earlier. And number 5 on my list is Zora. Zora is an NFT marketplace protocol on Ethereum. It allows permissionless minting and trading of NFTs. It is an on-chain NFT marketplace, which means that it can never go down. It can only go down if the Ethereum network goes down. It is composable, immutable, universally accessible, and censorship resistant. Considering the introduction of the Zora DAO, there is a strong possibility that Zora launches a token to help facilitate ownership over the organization and protocol. You can use this strategy to be eligible for the potential airdrop. 1 is to buy and sell NFTs on Zora, mint and sell NFTs on Zora. 3 is to collect ZOBs and use products built on the Zora protocol. If you want to know how to use these platforms, how to take the actions, be present at our live classes. I did a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply these strategies. It's very interesting, it's very interactive. Also, we have a recorded section which you can actually check out. I'll leave the link in the description. Beside these 5 that I mentioned, other potential retroactive airdrop includes Phantom, Arbitrum, Aztec, Starwares, ZK Sync, which has already been confirmed, Socian, Solana Arts, Hedgehog Market, and so on. You can find more of this speculative airdrop on airdrops.io or join our Discord channel. Yeah, we'll have a Discord channel. We list both speculative and non-speculative airdrops on that channel. All the links are in the description. Note that all these are speculative. It is not guaranteed, and it's also not a financial advice from me. Make your own research. And if you want to encourage us to make more videos like this, just click on the like button right now. When you do so, YouTube recognizes that this video has value and show it to more people, which helps to grow the channel. Also subscribe and pin the bell icon if you have not. Now, check out this video on 5 ways to make profitable income from the crypto bear market. I'll see you there.